Hey YouTube, we're out of town this week, so my hands are itching to go home and do home improvement and DIY. But I'm going to use this time to do research on YouTube. I know this isn't a home improvement DIY video, but I am doing research on how to make my home improvement DIY channel better. I know it's a stretch, I'm sorry, but let's get into it. This is very exciting because I just figured out how to screen record so you guys don't have to watch me video a computer screen. These are the two threads that I thought were pretty helpful. This one gets into SEO, search engine optimization, and the title is the most important, but I can't really change my title because I like my "a dentist does stuff" trope. The description is also very important, which I think I do a decent job at, and chapters. This one I have not done yet. I don't know how to do this, but for this video I'm going to try and incorporate chapters. The rest isn't too applicable to me because I'm not looking into trends or making anything clickable. I'm just going to keep working on the projects that we need to do. This next thread I really like. It has to do with consistency and frequency. So I'm going to start using the schedule function and try to record in batches and try to build a video bank so I'm not rushing to get a video out every Monday. That's pretty much it. The main reason for me doing all of this research is to bring a little bit of structure and rigidity into my upload schedule. The current plan is to upload Friday, Monday, both days at noon. I was already struggling with one video, and now two just sounds crazy ambitious. It needs to be done because I already have 10 videos planned, and by the time the 10 weeks go by, I'll have 20 videos planned. So the only solution is to upload twice a week. And I think it's possible because the Friday videos will be similar to this one, a little bit shorter, more of me talking, doing research, following up on past projects, maybe a vlog style video. I don't know how YouTube is going to evolve. And the Monday videos will be the longer videos where I'm working with my hands, actually making stuff, building stuff. I'm pretty excited to see where this goes. 20-second video done.